सेंटेन्स पॅटर्नच्या कालच्या भागामध्ये आपण रूल्स पाहिले होते, तर आता आपण त्याच्यावरचे काही प्रश्न सोडवूयात. आपल्याला प्रश्न विचारलेला असतो, फिल इन द ब्लँक्स विथ सुटेबल वर्ब्स चूजिंग फ्रॉम द ब्रॅकेट्स. पहिलं सेंटेन्स, विलेज आफ्टर विलेज डॅश डॅश डिस्ट्रॉयड. वी हॅव टू चूज was or where. For that we have to decide is the subject singular or plural. See, village after village, 2 times village, but if we convert in Marathi, गावा नंतर गाव, destroyed म्हणजे नष्ट किंवा उद्ध्वस्त होते. Obviously was, because this is a singular subject. See, village after village was destroyed. Now second sentence, words, words, poetry dash dash immortal. Is immortal or immortal? See the subject which is singular, poetry. मग हे वाक्य होणार, words, words, poetry is immortal. Third sentence, if I dash dash rich, I would buy a car. Was where? Yes, we know I is a singular subject, but when we use would in a sentence, then the sentence will be as if I were rich, I would buy a car. These are rules for using would in the sentence. जे आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो, जर मी श्रीमंत असतो तर मी कार खरेदी केली असती. अनदर एक्झाम्पल बघूया, चांगलं लक्षात राहील. इमॅजिनरी सेंटेन्सेस, जर तर, इफ आय वेअर अ ट्री आय वुड गिव्ह फ्रुट्स टू यू. जर मी झाड असतो तर मी फळे दिली असती. Next sentence is 10 kilometers in bracket is are a long way to walk. We can see 10 kilometers. This is a plural, but at that time a long way, which is singular. इथे जर वेज असलं असतं तर अनेक रस्ते झाले असते, पण इथे वे हा एकच आहे, त्याच्यामुळे 10 किलोमीटर्स इज अ लॉंग वे टू वॉक. मोहन as well as Sohan dash dash guilty was where. In that, Mohan and Sohan, these are two subjects which are connected by as well as. Rule for such sentence, जेव्हा as well as ने दोन सब्जेक्ट जॉईन केलेले असतात तेव्हा हा जो सुरुवातीचा सब्जेक्ट असतो त्याचं जे वर्ब असेल ते तिथं लिहिलं जातं. as well as फक्त अधिक माहिती दाखविण्यासाठी या मूळ सब्जेक्ट विषयी सांगण्यासाठी as well as आणि पुढचा सब्जेक्ट असतो, त्याच्यामुळे as well as च्या अगोदरच्या सब्जेक्टला जे वर्ब यूज होईल ते इथे लिहायचं. मोहन as well as Sohan was guilty. Next, apple pie and custard dash dash my favorite dish. Two singular subjects connected by and. But we can see that these both subjects are related to or showing a similar dish or a single dish. Hence, we use here is instead of are. See, in the sentence, two or more subjects connected by and refer to the same person or thing, then the examples of this rule, rice and curry is my favorite dish. Corn, beef and cabbage was his favorite dish. Wear and tear has to be expected when you are in the rental business. One type of damage. The crown and glory of the life is character. Arms and the Man is a nice book. In this sentence, two or more subjects which are connected by and refer to different things. Hence, we have to use here plural form of a verb. Mr. and Mrs. Thakur are in the house. His secretary and typist are on leave today. His father and mother were there. Reading and writing are two different skills. You and I are good friends. Everybody there was happy at the picnic. We have to choose was, where. See, when the sentence started with everybody, everyone, each, someone, somebody, these are singular and required singular verb. So, everybody was happy at the picnic. Same rule sentence, every man, woman and child in the village was where wandered. We know that every म्हणजे प्रत्येक माणूस, प्रत्येक महिला, प्रत्येक मूल in the village was wandered. प्रत्येक महिला, प्रत्येक माणूस, प्रत्येक मूल आश्चर्य व्यक्त करत होते. The teeth of the girl are white. पहिल्यांदा बघितल्यावर वाटतं की हा सिंग्युलर असेल, पण द टीथ हा ऑलरेडी स्वतःच प्लुरल फॉर्म आहे. टूथ नाहीये, टीथ दिलेला आहे. सो आर हा वर्ब इथे येणार. द टीथ ऑफ द गर्ल आर व्हाईट. आता अ पेअर ऑफ शूज आर in this room. See, shoes, which is plural form, but a pair is the subject, is the main subject. A pair of shoes. A pair is a singular, hence we require singular verb here. A pair of shoes is in this room.